Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the 7th day of the Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Today, we're going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to build a basic wooden furniture piece. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a beginner, this tutorial will help you create a beautiful piece for your home.
First things first, let's talk about materials. For this project, you'll need wood planks, a measuring tape, a saw, sandpaper, wood glue, clamps, and a varnish or paint for finishing touches. You can customize your piece by choosing different types of wood and finishes. Step 1 is all about measurements. Measure and mark your wood according to your desired dimensions using a measuring tape and pencil. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Once you have your measurements, it's time to cut the wood. Use a saw to carefully cut along the marked lines. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear and keeping your fingers away from the blade.
Next up, sanding. Smooth out any rough edges and surfaces using sandpaper. This step is crucial for achieving a professional finish and ensuring no splinters. Now it's assembly time. Apply wood glue to the edges of your wood pieces and carefully clamp them together. Make sure everything is aligned properly before letting the glue dry. Last but not least, it's time to add the finishing touches. Apply a varnish or paint of your choice to enhance the appearance and protect the wood from wear and tear. Let it dry completely before moving your furniture piece.
And there you have it. Your very own custom wooden furniture piece, made with love and craftsmanship. Whether it's a coffee table, a bookshelf, or a side table, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below.
In this video, we told you step-by-step guide to building a basic wooden furniture piece. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series we will learn tips for achieving smooth and flawless wood finishes. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.